Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So I brought you the Vosteed raccoon that I purchased about 2 weeks ago, and I said that it's my new favorite pocket knife, and that still holds true to this day. I loved it so much that I did something, and I think you know where I'm going with this. I bought another Vosteed, and it's not a raccoon. It is the Nightshade TH. So, as you can see, it is a 154 cm black stonewash blade. The handle is black micarta, and it is a liner lock. So, let's take a look at it. I did open this up already. I got this yesterday. I was too excited to wait, but I'll give you the full unboxing. So, per typical Vosteed, you get this nice aluminum tin, and let's break it open. Get that down there. So, as always, you get the nice knife case that comes in. But before we get to the knife, let's see what else is in the box. So, get your usual cleaning cloth, Vosteed, some awesome stickers, a patch, the Vosteed support card, 30-day money-back warranty, and return and replacement service. You have the information there, and then you always get the card with the description of the knife. As I said already, it's a 154 cm stainless steel. It's a 3.26-inch blade. It's a cylinder cutter, flat, black finish, stonewash, micarta handle, and a liner lock. And this is right here is the Nightshade. Let's get it out. This is not my typical style blade, but after seeing max level EDC's raving review about this knife, I had to try it out. And look at that. That is one beautiful knife. And to be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of micarta. But this micarta is something different. Best way to describe, in my opinion, normal micarta is like the inside. It feels like the inside of jeans. Just that feeling that you get. But this one right here, it feels like it's pre-worn down. It doesn't have that fuzzy feeling that you get from a normal micarta. But so let's give you the specs. It's ceramic cage ball bearings, liner lock, copper pivot collar. It is a deep pocket carry. It's only one position clip, tip up, and this is the LT version. There is another version that is, or I'm sorry, this is the TH version. There is another version, the LT, which doesn't have the thumb hole, but does have a flipper tab here. I opted for the thumb hole because I just like the way it looks better on the blade. Total length is 7.48 inches. Close is 4.22 inches, and I already told you it's 3.26 inch blade, and it comes in at 3.19 ounces. So it is an awesome knife, and like I said, it's not my typical style blade, but they recommend this for EDC and or food prep, which is kind of different. Just the way the blade is shaped, you can pull instead of push or drag. But yeah, this is an awesome knife. I'll get all this stuff out of the way to give you some references. So we have the Ontario Rat #1 and Civivi Elementum. So you can see it's kind of somewhere in between the two. But if you're interested in a new pocket knife, I definitely recommend checking out Vosteed. They're doing some amazing things. But I can't say enough good things about them. But so there you have it. That's the Vosteed Nightshade in the Blackstone Wash Black Micarta. It's the TH version, and it's going right now for $72 on Amazon. If you are part of the Vosteed Facebook group, sometimes they have promo codes that they throw out there on specific knives, and I was able to get an extra 5% off with a promo code from that Facebook page, and I want to thank them for that. And anyways, I hope everyone's having a great day. I appreciate everyone watching, and I'll see you next time.